Here fellas, we have a badass Milwaukee M18 12 amps. I don't know, more than 200 euros cost battery, and it have the one small problem. It shows that it's fully charged on a charger, but the reality is that the battery is only on one of the four. So let's open it. Okay, not got the screws out from the first try. Now I have them out, and okay, what we can see here, the fuse seems that was heating here. Let's try to check it. Oh, it holds. Okay, this one holds good. Everything here looks good. The light is working, and let's take it from the housing. Normally on this model I'm searching for oxidation, but this time we don't have an oxidation, so probably we have the bad balance of the cells. It's normal for this model. He just lost his balance, and one of the cell packs shows fully charged, and another one so far was 7.7, and .5, 4, 2.5. You can see that it shows the same, so we will check the cells. 3.5. Okay, this time it's interesting because we have the all cells equal, and what I can say, that means it's a problem of the controller. Okay, I'm trying to make it as close as I can with the camera. I have checked it with a microscope, and this is the charging port, and you can see that normally I have the beep, the continuity, and I'm measuring the fuse, and on the fuse out I have the continuity, you can hear the beep, and on the fuse in I don't have the continuity with the charging port, so the fuse is blown. We have the cap, and the cap is blown here, so I will not replace it. Of course you can do that, I can do that, but as I have the spare controller for this BMS, I will just replace the BMS. Let's try to separate this one. Got it. Okay. Now I will just try to lift it and release the terminals. Okay. What we have here, yeah. So we have the parts we need to replace here. So basically we need to remove this one to replace them, and sometimes it's easier to put the replacement part and forget it. Okay, it looks pretty the same as you can see. Of course, it's maybe the copper. Okay. Let's check for the pins. All the pins are in the places, and okay. Okay, I need to get the pins into the holes, and it feels like something is touching here. Yeah, maybe the thermal sensor. Okay, everything looks like in a place. Okay, yeah, you can see the BMS is starting to work because it's in the voltage, of course. Now it's just blinking. You can see they got this one in. Okay, this side got in. So as we have all the pins in place, we will tighten the BMS. Let's solder the balancing pins. Okay, I hope that will be enough, and now we have 2 of 4, so that's a good sign. And of course we need to charge it, and I'll try to take the charger here. And now we need to assemble this one. As normally we have a lot of screws, I need to put a sticker. Putting the sticker with the repair date. Closing the top cover, checking if the battery still works, and it looks like it's still working. Okay, now it's our moment. Screw. Have inserted it and the red light is on, so that means it's charging. So now I will leave it for a couple of hours to charge. We have prepared it. Definitely thank you for watching. Don't forget to press thumbs up, and for now, bye.